Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faisi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn about colligative properties. Colligative properties depends only on the number of solute particles present, not on the identity of the solute particles. Among colligative properties are vapor pressure lowering, boiling point elevation, depression of freezing point of solvent in solution, and osmotic pressure. Boiling point elevations. You know friends, boiling point is defined as the temperature at which the vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure. Boiling point is a characteristic properties of liquids and is criteria to check the purity of liquids. It increases with external pressure. Liquids having greater intermolecular forces have high boiling point. So elevation of boiling point, it is known that a liquid boils only when its vapor pressure becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure. But when a non-volatile solute is added to the solvent, the vapor pressure is lowered. In order to boil the solution, the temperature has to be raised further so as to make its vapor pressure equal to atmospheric pressure. So, you can see the solvent and solution. Solution del Tb is higher temperature and solvent is lower. Why? In graph shows above, we can see the change in vapor pressure of a pure solvent and the solution with increase in temperature. Here we can see that two samples, the solvent and the solution, will attain the conditions of boiling when their vapor pressure become equal to the atmospheric pressure. We can see here pure solvent attain this condition at a temperature equal to del T V naught, whereas for the solution to attain this pressure, the temperature of the sample need to be increased by a small amount equal to del Tb, such that del Tb is equal to Tb naught plus del Tb, and Tb is equal to del Tb is equal to Tb minus Tb naught. So here the value del Tb is known as the elevation in boiling point. The value of del Tb for a solution depends upon the number of molecules of non-volatile solute. It has been shown experimentally that the elevation in boiling point is directly proportional to molar concentration of the solute in a solution. Del Tb directly proportional to m, and del Tb is equal to kBm. T is the change in boiling point of the solute, Kb is the molar boiling point elevation constant, and m is the molar concentration of solute in the solution. So here molarity is the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kg of solvent, and contrast of the proportionality Kb is called boiling point elevation constant. So unit of Kb is kg per mole. This is the formula. Molality small m, mass of solute in kg divided by molar mass of solution kg per mole multiplied by mass of solvent in kg. So m is equal to W2 divided by M2 multiplied by W1. Substituting in equation 1, we get M2 Kb, W2 del Tb and W. So freezing point depression. Freezing point, the temperature at which the liquid state converted into solid state. It is opposite to melting point. Pressure increases, freezing point also increases. Hence the freezing point of liquid is a temperature at which the vapor pressure of solid is equal to the vapor pressure of liquid. So depression of freezing point. Freezing point depression is a colligative properties observed in solution that results from the introductions of solute particles molecules to a solvent. Freezing point of solutions are all lower than that of the pure solvent and is directly proportional to molality of the solute. So del TF, TF naught, my solvent and TF solutions, you will get with this formula. Here del TF is the depression in freezing point, del TF naught is the freezing point of the solvent, TF is the freezing point of the solution. Now freezing point depression graph. The figure below shows the phase diagram for a pure solvent and how it changes when a solute is added to it. The solute lowers the vapor pressure of the solvent, resulting in a lowering of freezing point of the solution compared to the solvent. The freezing point depression is the difference in temperature between the freezing point of the pure solvent and that of the solution. On the graph, the freezing point depression is represented by, you can see, the vapor pressure of the pure solvent and vapor pressure of the solution. And this is the difference. When pure solvent freezes, its particles become more ordered as the intermolecular forces that operate between the molecules become permanent. In the case of water, the hydrogen bond make the hexagonally shaped network of molecules that characterizes the structure of ice by dissolving a solute into the liquid solvent. This orderly process is disrupted. As a result, more energy must be removed from the solution in order to freeze it, and the freezing point of the solution is lower than that of the pure solvent. The magnitude of the freezing point depression is directly proportional to molality of the solution. The equation is del TF is equal to KFM. Del TF is freezing point of depression. KF is called molar freezing point depression constant. So depression of freezing point in molar mass of solute. Let W2 grams of solute with molar mass M2 dissolve in W1 gram of solvent. The molality M is given by the molality mass of solute in kg, and this way you can calculate it. So osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water or other solvent through a plasma membrane from a region of low solute concentration to region of high solute concentration. Osmosis is passive transport, meaning it does not require energy to be applied. So reverse osmosis, a technique for purifying water in which pressure is applied to force liquid through a semi-permeable membrane in the opposite direction to that in the normal osmosis. Semi-permeable membrane. A semi-permeable membrane is a barrier that will only allow some molecule to pass through, which blocking the passage of other molecules. A semi-permeable membrane barrier essentially acts as a filter. Different types of semi-permeable membrane can be block out different size molecules. A semi-permeable membrane can be made out of biological or synthetic materials. So this is the demonstrations of osmosis. You can see the water initial level and final level water. Cellophane membrane. Osmosis by using sheet of cellophane at a start and few hours later. So 3% salt solutions, selectively permeable membrane and distilled water. Solution stops raising when the height of the column equals osmotic pressure. Salt solution rising, and this is the, you can see the pin and pins, beaker, potatoes, sugar solutions, water. So potato osmoscope before osmosis and after osmosis. Mechanism of osmosis. Isotonic solutions have equal concentrations of solute and so equal osmotic pressure. Hypertonic solutions with higher concentration of solute, hypotonic solution with lower concentration of solute. So law of osmotic pressure. So I will discuss law of osmotic pressure in our next video. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.